Welcome to Christmas. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we're looking at my Christmas decorations, and I did something fairly ambitious this year. The new movie coming out, The Nutcracker in the Four Realms, is on its way. And I decided I wanted to decorate my house using the four different realms. If you're not sure what those are, they are the realm of snowflakes, the realm of flowers, the realm of toys, and the realm of sweets. It was a pretty easy decision since I had everything that I needed to do this, basically. But let's take a look. We're going to start off in my living room, which I made the realm of snowflakes. You'll notice that everything is done basically in white. In this room, I decided I would try to go with a more natural theme and make sure that everything, unless it was specifically used for the theme, was more of a natural item. Now, that did not mean that my greenery is natural. No, I actually used artificial trees and artificial leaves because this is a little ahead of time. And I also then tried to use more natural looking snow, but I didn't find any really good natural cotton that I liked, so I had to go with a synthetic. Other than that, I tried to use everything which was more natural, and it just looks pretty cool. If you look around the room, you will see everything from using pine as a swag at the window. There are multiple trees. I have a small tree on the credenza next to the couch, and then the larger tree is in the kitchen. You'll notice that in the dining room that we have a setup which can be viewed from different spots. One of the cool things that I did do was the chandelier. I did a nice cover of pine and then draped that with snow. Now, one of the cool things which I'm interested to see if you want to learn how I did it, because it's just so simple, I wanted to do tinsel. However, of course, since I'm trying to go for a more natural look, I didn't want to use the chemically made tinsel, so I used string. Now, this is the second iteration of this, because the first time I did the string, I just put the string on the tree and it looked like string on a tree. That wasn't what I was going for. Oddly enough, the simplest thing to do was to tie a knot in each end, and then it suddenly looked like it was purposely put there. So I thought that worked really well. You'll notice that all of my decorations, just the regular things, the couch covers, the pillow covers, the things on the tables, have all gone to white, simply because this helps give you that land of snow feeling. Now, one of the coolest things which I did think about is transitions. If you're doing a theme, or if you're doing anything in your house and you want to have more of a cohesive feel, remember your transitions. As I transition from the realm of the snow to the realm of the snowflakes to the realm of toys, you notice I started throwing in more of a toy kind of thing with the wreath, which was made with doll heads. And in the toy room, which is my bedroom, I just have my collection of bears put out. Fairly simple, and then the pine. Going from there, we go back into the realm of the snowflakes, and we are going to go into the realm of flowers. This one I had a ton of fun with, simply because I just went for it. I just put out just about every single flower, every single arrangement that we had. I even borrowed arrangements from my mom so that I could put them in my house for the realm of the flowers, and it looks like an explosion of flowers that happened. Now, if you go back out, you'll notice that on our way to the realm of the flowers, you'll see down below there is a small little vase of pine and flowers, and the flowers are silver, to give you that notice, to give you that transition from the realm of the snowflakes to the realm of the flowers. Even on the door, the flowers transition from snowflakes to the realm of the flowers, simply from the color. Like I said, in the realm of the flowers, I just let all the colors just have at it. Threw everything in there, and it's just something fun. Now, back out into the living room, we're going to transition from the land of the snowflakes into the land of sweets. Now, this one I did not have to do too much with, simply because, well, it's a kitchen, and this is where I'm going to make all of the sweets for this year. And so it was really easy to just let the sweets will speak for themselves, but all I did was put in my pine up above the cabinets, which is also lighted, and then I did something which I really thought deliberately of. Instead of just going with just the cookie cutters, what I did is I transitioned from cookie cutters, which if you see from a distance, you can't tell because they are just the outline of the cookie. And then as we get further into the kitchen, you will notice that the cookie cutters become solid and face out, and that way it gives you sort of that nice transition feel. Also, you'll notice that the flowers are in there. They go from the silver into the land of the sweets, and you notice that the land of the sweets has more color to it. The ornaments are just giant ornaments, and there's lots more color than in the land of the snowflakes. Now, one of the fun things that I did do is I had the parts of an old Christmas tree. If you have an old Christmas tree, you can take it apart and then use the pieces that you have simply by bending the metal end and then fluffing it out. You can then use this for fill everywhere you want to. Now, I will be the first to tell you that yes, this is over-the-top decorating. These pieces are large and these pieces are to be seen. Part of that is because, well, I do videos, and it's nice to have the huge pieces there for you to see. But overall, the feeling of the 4 different realms of Christmas, the 4 different realms of the Nutcracker, I hope comes through. What do you think about that? Let me know down in the comments. I'd also love to see your Christmas decorations. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.